Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome tutorials. In this video we will see that how can you clear up the cache memory in Google Chrome. So whenever we visit some sites using browsers such as Google Chrome, it automatically creates a cache of the static files such as image or videos, so that whenever we are revisiting the site in the future, then it is easier for us to refer to those files rather than going back to the server and downloading the files over and over again. From the cache memory, those files could be taken and shown to the user for a better speed. So let's see how do we disable the cache. Now if we want to disable or clear up the cache, the need is that sometimes the data that is taken up from cache memory, it is an outdated data. Let's say our computer has cached some data, some static files, and it is showing us that files only, but actually on the server the data has changed a little bit, so we might not want that old data. We might want a copy of the fresh data that is being uploaded on the server. So for that purpose we use this cache memory. We basically clear this cache memory. Okay, so the process is very simple. There are two ways of doing this. One is the long way and the second is the short way. So first of all, let us take a look at the long way. So the long way is simple. All you need to do is open up your Google Chrome. Once it is opened, click on these three dots. Now from these, click on more tools. Once you click on more tools, you will find this option, clear browsing data. Let's just click on that. Now once you do that, you will find two options, the basic and the advanced options. So now we do not need to focus on advanced right now. First of all, let's just focus on basic only. The time range you can set that for what time range you want to clear the data. So I want to clear the all time data. So once you do that, there are three options available: the browsing history, the cookies, and the cached images and files. Cached images and files will also show you that how many what is the size of the data that is being cached, and if you change this duration, then this would change. As you can see, if I just select last hour, it is less than 296 MB. If I select all time, then it is actually 296 MB. So accordingly this size changes depending on how much cache we have stored. So we only want to clear the cache files. So what we can do, we can uncheck these two options. We do not want to clear the browsing history, neither we want to clear the cookies and the site data. We only want to clear the cache image and files. So let's just select this and click on clear data. Now once you do that, it's going to take some time, and now the cache data has been cleared. If you just again click on clear browsing data option, then you will see that frees up less than 1 MB for the all time. Less than 1 MB is quite negligible. That means there is no cached data present explicitly onto our Chrome, and all the data that was cached has been deleted. Now if we just go into the advanced settings, here is some extra data that we want to if we want, we can clear that, like the browsing history is available, download history, cookies, cached images. These are available in the basics option. Suppose we also want passwords, the autofill data, and the hosted app data. So let's just click on them, and if we want, we can just clear them. The duration also we can set that how much is the duration which we want to clear up, and this will also show us if there are other if their data is actually available. Like if I just select all time, so I do not have any passwords saved, so let's just get rid of this. I have some autofill form data which is of 14 suggestions that would be cleared up. If I do not want to clear up, let's just click on just uncheck this option. This is hosted app data, cached images and files, the cookies, the download history, and the browsing history. So if you want to clear them, then you can just select options and click on clear data. Otherwise you can click on cancel. So this is the long method. Now let us talk about the short method. So I have opened a new tab in Chrome. For the short method, we have the shortcut that is Control Shift and Delete. Once you are in your Chrome, if you use this shortcut Control Shift and Delete, it would automatically bring up this clear browsing data option, which is just the shortcut for the whole process. So using that also you will get to the same way, same option, same place, and from here also you can clear up the data. Now since all the caching is cleared, let's just try to clear the browsing history as well. So this is the browsing history, but before that let's just see a few suggestions. Suppose if I type in C Then I'm getting some suggestions. This is from the history suggestions that I'm getting. If I just clear this browsing history, click on clear data, then what will happen is if I just type C, all those suggestions are gone and I'm getting suggestions that are actually taken from Google search. So this is the advantage, or this is the effect of clearing up the history from the Chrome. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.